Yo, hi guys, Brendan here. Today, April 5. May goal tayo today, which is a tuck plunge for 15 seconds in perfect form. So, kanina nagawa ko na siya, pero hindi siya perfect form. I-record ko lang for proof and para may sense of achievement tayo kung ano na yung narating natin, diba? Let's go. So guys, attempt number 1.
Walking the shadows on my walls. Told all my friends I'm doing fine. Truth is I'm broken all the time. Coffee goes cold, your name on my tongue. Every your love song sounds like us. Check my phone, nothing from you. But if forever fades so soon. If you don't love me, say it, say it. Stay with me.
My ano is tired, bro. So done. Wait lang. I'm gonna try the position ko kanina. Another failure. Wait lang guys. Disappointing. Okay, that was, I don't know, seconds, 2 minutes rest. I know my mistakes now. Let's go, 1 minute break lang pala yun. Let's go again. Hindi ko alam kung perfect po. But bro, it hurts. But bro, count ba natin yun guys? Hindi ko nakita yung form ko but I'll review. Yo bro, I just reviewed the footage and honestly my hips was kinda low, so we're going to have to retry, man. Let's go. Feel ko na mababa pa rin yung hips. Bro, I'm starting to give up. My wrist is not feeling well na. Wait lang. No warm up ba? No. Notice ko lang guys, hindi pala nakaayos ng production ng aking likod. Hindi ganun talaga siya. Hindi siya nakabalik na ganito. bro. My freaking arm, bro. That's alright. Pero let's go. I'll see the footage again. Nako. Yeah, give up, man. Okay lang yung mag-give up. Option na lang ang nag-perform pero we have to reach it. Yo guys, accept na natin yun. Mas medyo tumagal naman tayo sa taas nung last attempt natin kaysa dun sa una na 15 seconds na medyo sa 10 second mark medyo bumaba na hips natin pero mas mataas second mark natin, so i-check na natin yan bro, syempre fine. Check na natin at sala na talaga ng risk ko. Ang galing ginawang excuse. Yan guys. Okay. Goal number 1 sa April. And then alam na natin ilalagay natin sa April peak moments natin bro. Let's go. Thank you guys. Let's go. Semper Fi.